Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. This is a real quick one. Mail call. I got a box. That brings up a good question. If a package comes to you in any other mode of transport other than your mail carrier, so your postal carrier, post mail, okay? Mail was always determined by something you could lick and put a stamp on, all right? And believe it or not, here in America, you could mail your child. That's correct. You would have a little card tied to them and they'd have a stamp on it, and you could ship your child, and your child would be taken care of, and it would go on a stagecoach, and it would go from New York to Iowa. That child might end up on a plane, on a train, or on a stagecoach, or on the back of the Pony Express horse. But this did not come by post mail. We're calling it mail call. It came by Federal Express. If it has to be there, definitely on time. So it came a long distance. I know the country. I'm just trying to see if there is a take that off. See if on the label there is anything. Ah, there it is. Oh boy. Sanjo City, Japan. I don't know. I apologize. I don't know how to pronounce a lot of this other stuff, but it's Sanjo City in Japan. And I'm not going to open this yet. Why am I not opening this yet? Very simple. The contents is going to require that these trestles be done and set up and hold my bench top. So this is going to be a fun project to open up, and I hope you stay tuned because we all will be learning something. So that's about it. Let me know, should we call it mail call if it doesn't come from the US Postal Service or the Australian Postal Service or the German Bundespost or whatever the one is in your country? Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.